50-item multiple choice exam. Group project with rubrics. Time, true or false. Portfolio submission.
Ay.
Standardized national test. So may idea na ba kung ano yung traditional?
Yes.
Traditional assessment is a formal and standardized way of evaluating student learning that is usually given as a one-shot, time test, and commonly used in pencil and paper and pencil format. So, ibig sabihin, one-shot lang kasi kung ano yung naisagot nyo doon is parang hindi na yun siya mababaw. And meron din meron din time na meron ding oras na naka-experience na ba kayo ng nag-take kayo ng test na merong oras? Sunset.
Oh, yes.
Sunset. So, yun. So, principle of traditional assessment or guidelines kung paano gumawa ng assessment. So, first is purpose. Dapat, purpose assessment, dapat alamin muna natin kung ano yung goal natin, kung bakit natin ginawa yung assessment na yun. Ano ba yung purpose natin sa paggawa ng assessment na yun? Purpose ba natin doon is para malaman natin kung may naiintindihan ba sila, or ang purpose natin is for grade lang. So, dapat meron tayong purpose sa paggawa ng assessment. Next is validity and reliability. Dapat yung mga nakalagay doon sa test mo is yung mga di-discuss mo, yung mga na-discuss mo na. And referencing, ibig sabihin dapat meron kang goal na parang merong passing score doon sa assessment na ginawa mo. Parang mag-ranking ka sa mga students. And then quality of the test, dapat yung test mo is hindi masyadong madali, hindi naman masyadong mahirap. So dapat malinaw din yung every question na nakalagay dun sa test. And then grading. Next, lastly is grading, which is dapat fair yung pagbibigay mo ng grade. Then next is type of traditional assessment. The first gen is multiple choice. Yan yung may pagpipilihan tayo ng 4 na answer.